Looking for a way to boost your home or office network with dependable Cat-5e connectors? The Leviton 5G108-RO5 snap-in Cat-5e connector is designed to deliver consistent, high-speed performance for applications like Gigabit Ethernet and 622 megabits per second ATM. It fits perfectly with all QuickPort wall plates and housings, making your setup clean and professional looking. What really makes these connectors stand out is their independent testing and certification by Intertek, ETL. Every unit meets strict mechanical and performance standards, so you get a product built to last. The bright orange color helps you identify connections quickly during installation, reducing errors and saving time. When I started working from home, I needed a wired connection that could outperform my Wi-Fi. Running Cat-5e cables to different rooms made a noticeable difference in speed and stability. Installing the Leviton connectors was straightforward, color-coded and easy to assemble using the T568B wiring standard. If you prefer T568A, that works too, as long as you keep it consistent on both ends. Using these connectors means you get a stable, high-speed wired connection that handles everything from video streaming to large file transfers without interruptions. The modular design also lets you mix and match with other QuickPort snap-in modules for voice, data, and video over UTP, coax, and fiber. This flexibility lets you customize your network exactly how you want it. If slow Wi-Fi has been holding you back, these Leviton Cat-5e connectors are worth considering. They deliver professional-grade quality without complicated installation steps, making them ideal for both DIY enthusiasts and IT professionals. If that's you, try them when you're ready to upgrade your home or office network with confidence. Don't settle for unreliable connections or cheap alternatives. The Leviton 5G108-RO5 connectors offer what you need: tested durability, dependable performance, and seamless compatibility with your existing QuickPort system. Whether you're wiring a new space or enhancing an older setup, these connectors help you get the most out of your Cat-5e cables.